Today, because of this spillover, because of the expanding geography of Bicol region, there is such thing as Bicol region outside Bicol. Because of the fact that you go to Spain, I've been to Spain several times, stayed in Bicolano community there. They also perform this Peña Francia celebration, and they carry the Bicolano culture in this particular part of the region. If you go to the States, you go to other parts of the world, there is already a Peña Francia community. So the impact of Peña Francia to Bicolanos has become very, very much, has become immense. Well, one thing is because of the fact that the devotion has ceased to be simply a Catholic, the object, the Peña Francia, ceased to be a Catholic artifact, a Catholic symbol. It becomes now a symbol of Bicolanos, whether Catholic or not. It simply becomes an image of Bicolano. So I think because of this particular universal adaptability of the symbol of the Peña Francia, Bicolanos all over the world could still identify themselves as Bicolanos because of this image of Peña Francia.